Hello dear traders, in this lecture I will show you how to place the expert advisors on the MetaTrader platform, and here I will place it on a demo account of GFD broker because, as I said, I have used the data from this broker, which is the MetaTrader demo data in EA Studio. Alright, so here I will need to go to File, Open Data folder, and then go to MQL4 and experts. This is where I will place the expert advisors. So I just copy them on my other screen from the downloads folder. This is where they go when we export them, and I will paste them here, and here they are, 30 expert advisors. I will close the folder. After that, I will need to click on refresh over expert advisors in the navigator. This will compile the expert advisors into ex4 files or already trading robots, and here they are. Okay, 30 expert advisors, 10 for the euro dollar, 10 for the pound dollar, and 10 for the euro pound. Now what I need to do, I need to open 10 charts for each one. Alright, so let me close all the charts that I have currently opened. And while I'm doing that, I will make sure that you understand something. You don't need to have indicators over the chart. So your platform probably will come with some indicators by default. You can remove them, you can keep them, doesn't matter. You don't need to place over the chart the indicators from each strategy, because the indicators are inside of the code of the expert advisor. Okay, so I have now for euro dollar 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, one more 10. Okay, as well for the pound dollar 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. And then I will open as well for the euro pound 10 different charts. Make sure also to have the charts on the same time frame as your expert advisors are, and here with the name it is very nice because we can see which is the time frame. Now for all of these strategies I used M15, but if you decide to create different portfolio of expert advisors with different time frames, you need to know which is the time frame for each strategy. Okay, and for euro pound I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, one more 10. Okay, now let me go back to the first chart for the euro dollar, this one over here, and I will place the first expert advisor for the euro dollar. I will start from right over here. So before I place the expert advisor over the chart, I need to enable the auto trading. Anyway, the experts will not work. I double click on the expert advisor and small menu comes up. There are the common settings which normally we don't touch, and we have the inputs. Here is the entry lot, the stop loss, the take profit, the parameters of the indicators, and below is the magic number which we will use to follow the performance of these expert advisors. I click on OK, and the expert advisor is attached on the chart. We have this smiley face which shows that everything is fine with the expert, it's working, and it will open the first trade when the entry conditions are there. Alright, then I will go to the second chart. I will drag the second expert advisor for euro dollar, so you can either drag it or double click on it, and when you click on OK you will have it attached to the chart. And the third one, make sure it's on M15 and you don't make a mistake with time frames. So this is the third expert advisor. I will double click on it and I will click on OK. So I will do the very same thing for the rest, and I will continue the video once I am ready. Alright, so I continue now the video. after I have placed the last expert advisor for the euro pound, and now I have them all attached to the chart. One more time, you don't need to place the indicators of each strategy, or you can leave it without indicators. Normally I even remove the indicators and I stay with the plain chart. It really doesn't matter. Alright, so I have now these 30 expert advisors placed on the MetaTrader. I will test them, and in the next lectures I will show you how I follow the results of these strategies and how I filter the strategies which I want to place on the live account. This is how I always trade the expert advisors that are currently profiting for the current market conditions. Alright, thank you for watching and always enjoy when you're trading. Cheers!